Alright guys, today I'm replacing the CV axles in the 89 930. This procedure is pretty much the same for all G-body air-cooled cars. And here's some quick tips and tricks. You can actually see these are the original axles from 1989. This car's got 56,000 miles. And yeah, I've owned it for just under 20 years. It'll be 20 years in the spring. And I was doing some work under here and then noticed that these rubber boots are now split. The grease has leaked out, as you can see. And the CV axles are fairly straightforward to replace. Actually, you can actually see that the inner boots are also broken. So definitely time to replace them. A couple of things that I recommend is using a impact gun. So I got my trusty cordless DeWalt, and I'm using an impact Allen head, and this one is an H8. That's the size. And then you'll see there's a lot of gunk and grease that tends to contaminate the inside head of the fastener. So pick that out with a small screwdriver. Otherwise, you will not get good engagement when you put your Allen head socket in there. And once you do, you'll be able to back those guys out. I recommend an impact because the hammer action will definitely break them free versus using just a regular breaker bar. And it's a flange connection on the CV axle here at the hub and also the transmission. So it's a pretty straightforward, a little bit tedious, but fairly straightforward replacement. So you can see under the car is a little bit grimy, needs to be fixed. I mean, cleaned. Can't find the words today. And here are the new GKN axles that I bought, and you can see it's flange at both ends. And so once you get the old ones out, just pop those in place, and of course check all your fasteners, make sure that they're all in good condition, and if they need to be replaced, by all means. But pretty straightforward. Make sure and jack your car up safely before you get underneath it. Have some ramps underneath it, and yeah, it should take about 30 minutes each side, so within an hour or so you should be done. I also removed my rear shock to give me a little bit more room. Otherwise the shock does block some of the available room, and that's just a 21 or 22 millimeter, what size bolt? It's a 22 millimeter socket to remove that fairly large bolt, which is right here. So hope that helps, and just part of the maintenance over the years that that you need to catch up on as the cars get older, but certainly fairly straightforward. So take care and happy motoring to all. Bye.